Today, I'm going to show you how to work with LBF subtraction. These are the things that we will need. Bond paper, colored pens. We need green, blue, and red. If you don't have colored pens, you may use colored pencils, ruler, pencil, and eraser. And you can also prepare a sharpener. So let's begin. First, we need to write our name. And you write the date on this side. Then below, we need to write the title of our work, which is LBF paper subtraction. So let's start. Now this time we're going to draw the lines. Remember the lines? We need to use green pen for the units, blue pen for the tens, red pen for the hundreds, and then green for the units in the thousands place, blue for the 10,000, red for the 100,000, and green for millions. In your learning pocket, I placed there dynamic subtraction problems. We can copy from here, and that's what we're going to work with our LBF paper subtraction. So let's copy the first one. We have 4,872 minus 388. Now let's copy this problem. So you have 4,872 and 388. Let's start. Let's start with the units. 2 minus 8. We need to take away 8 from 2, but we don't have enough. We don't have enough units. But I know I can borrow from the tens. So I'll borrow 1 from the tens. So 7 becomes 6. And I'll exchange 1 10 to 10 units. So if I have 2 units here and I'll add 10 units, that makes 12 units in all. 12. So now I have enough to take away 8. So what is 12 minus 8? 12 minus 8 is 4. Now let's go to the tens. 6 minus 8. 6 minus 8. I need to take away 8 from 6. But I don't have enough. But I know I can borrow from the hundreds. So I'll borrow 1 from the hundreds. So 8 becomes 7. And I'll exchange 100 to 10 tens. So if I have 6 here and I'll add 10 tens, it makes 16 tens in all. Now I can take away 8 from 16. 16 minus 8. What is 16 minus 8? It's 8. Now let's go to the hundreds. We have 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. I need to take away 3 from 7. The answer is 4. Now let's go to the thousands. 4, and I have nothing to take away. That still gives me 4. So 4,872 minus 388 is equals to 4,484. So I'll copy this 4,484. Now let's try another one. So I can write it here also. The answer is 4,484. Now let's answer the second one. We have 3,966 minus 297. You have 3,966 minus 297. Let's start. 6 minus 7. We need to take away 7 from 6. I think I don't have enough units. But I know that I can borrow from the tens. I'll borrow 1 from the tens. So 6 becomes 5. And I'll exchange 1 10 to 10 units. So 10 units and 6 units makes 16 units in all. So now I have enough to take away 7. 16 minus 7 is 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. Now let's move to the tens. 5 minus 9. I need to take away 9 from 5. But I think I don't have enough. But I know I can borrow from the hundreds. I'll borrow 1 from the hundreds. So 9 becomes 8. And I'll exchange 100 to 10 tens. That makes 15 tens in all. So now I have enough. I can take away 9. 15 minus 9 is 6. Now let's go to the hundreds. We have 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Now let's go to the thousands. 3 thousands and I have nothing to take away. So that is still 3,000. So this is our answer. 3,966 minus 297 is equal to 3,669. Let's copy our answer here. Now let's try another problem. This time we'll try working up until 10,000. I'll think of my own number. I want 24,375. Take away 6,598. Okay. Let's write it here. We have 24,375. Take away 3,598. Let's start. 5 minus 8. I need to take away 8 from 5, but we don't have enough. I'll borrow 1 from the tens. So 7 becomes 6. And I'll change 1 10 to 10 units. So we have 15 units in all. Now I have enough. I can take away 8. 15 minus 8 is equals to 7. Now let's go to the tens. 6 minus 9. I need to take away 9 from 6, but we don't have enough. But I know I can borrow from the hundreds. I'll borrow 1 from the hundreds. So 3 becomes 2. And I'll exchange 100 to 10 tenths. So 10 tenths and 6 tenths makes 16 tenths in all. Now I have enough. I can take away 9. 16 minus 9 is equals to 7. Now let's go to the hundreds. We have 2 minus 5. We need to take away 5 from 2, but I don't have enough. I need to borrow from the thousands. I'll borrow 1 from the thousands. So 4 thousands becomes 3,000. I'll exchange 1,000 to 10 hundreds. So that makes 12 hundreds in all. Now I can take away 5. 12 minus 5 is equals to 7. Now let's go to the thousands. We have 3 minus 6. I don't have enough, so I have to borrow from the 10,000. I'll borrow 1 from the 10,000. So this becomes 1. Now I'll exchange 10,000 to 10,000. So 10,000 and 3 makes 13,000 in all. Now I have enough and I can take away 6. 13 minus 6 is still 7. Now let's go to the 10,000. I have here 10,000 and I have to take away nothing. So we still have 10,000. So this is our answer. We have 24,375 minus 6,598 is equals to 17,777. I'll copy that here. Now that I've shown you how to work with LBF paper, you can try doing this on your own.